What if I told you that one simple habit, often overlooked, could be silently sabotaging your gut health, no matter how clean your diet is? We're talking about chewing. It's far more than just breaking down food. In the next few minutes, you'll discover its hidden power and learn 3 shocking techniques to transform your digestion. Most of us rush through meals, barely giving our food a few chomps before swallowing. We think digestion starts in the stomach, right? But the truth is, the digestive process begins the moment food enters your mouth, and chewing is the critical first step. Insufficient chewing sends large, undigested food particles into your gut. Your stomach and intestines then struggle to break them down. This can lead to increased gut permeability, often called leaky gut, where tiny gaps in your intestinal lining allow toxins and undigested food to escape into your bloodstream. This leakage can trigger your immune system, causing systemic inflammation throughout your body, contributing to various health issues. Studies have even linked chewing efficiency directly to gut barrier function, showing that proper mastication is a powerful defense for your gut lining. Beyond that, poor chewing means you're not fully extracting nutrients from your food, leading to nutrient malabsorption even from the healthiest meals. So how can you harness this hidden superpower? Here are 3 surprising techniques to optimize your chewing for a healthier gut. First, do each bite 20-30 times. Yes, it sounds like a lot, but this ensures your food is liquefied before swallowing. It breaks down food mechanically and mixes it thoroughly with saliva, activating crucial digestive enzymes right from the start. Second, put your fork down between bites. This simple act forces you to slow down and truly savor your food. It allows your brain to catch up with your stomach, helping you recognize fullness signals and prevent overeating. Third, asterisk eat without distractions. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and focus entirely on your meal. Mindful eating enhances digestion by engaging your parasympathetic nervous system, shifting your body into a rest and digest state. Remember, it's not just what you eat, but how you eat it. Small changes in your chewing habits can lead to monumental improvements in your gut health and overall well-being. Start mindful chewing today and unlock your gut's true superpower. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Greenplate for more simple, science-backed health tips.